Okay, so type Win plus R on your keyboard, and in new window, in run window, you can type command prefetch. So click on enter, okay, and select here all files. You can do that with your keyboard, Ctrl A, and now you can click on Shift plus delete, and this will completely remove all files, and you do not need to clean your reallocate bin in this case. Type again Win plus R, type another command, temp, and click on OK. Once done, your window will open. Select all files again and delete them. After that, you can type again Win plus R. In run menu, you should type following command and also click on OK. New window will open and you need to clean all these files again. If some files may not be deleted, you can click on try again or skip. This is okay, no worries. After deleting files, type again Win plus R in your keyboard and type command clean mgr and click on OK. So this will open this cleanup. So select drive where your operating system and select everything here and click on OK. Delete all files. So now your computer will work faster. Thank you for watching.